This is your local news brief for Friday, April 24th, 2020. There are now 293 confirmed COVID-19 cases in the city of Pasadena, and 29 total deaths have been attributed to the virus. An exhibition room at the Pasadena Convention Center was recently made into a 250-bed auxiliary hospital to be used if Huntington Memorial Hospital reached capacity. The National Guard has deployed medical teams to 4 long-term healthcare facilities in Los Angeles County. Brighton Care Center in Pasadena is one of them. Last week, Brighton Care Center reported a total of 66 cases between staff and residents, making it the most affected long-term healthcare facility out of the 4 facilities receiving medical aid. On Monday, April 20th, the Pasadena City Council held a remote meeting where budget cuts were discussed. City leaders are to assess all open city jobs and ongoing recruitment offers in order to determine whether or not unfulfilled positions could continue unfulfilled or even be eliminated. Budget cuts would not affect police, fire, and public health, and instead impact city improvement projects like the Colorado Street Bridge suicide prevention barriers, streetlight conversions, and sidewalk improvements. The improvements cuts would save the city $8.5 million. In addition to the cuts, Measure I funding is to be directed into the city's general fund. Several council members were concerned that this would not be enough, calling for further conversations on additional budget cuts. City Manager Steve Mermel reiterated that although he expects future budget cuts, the city does not want to cut services before it becomes imperative. President Trump has stopped green card applications for 60 days. Trump defended his response by referring to the travel restrictions placed on China and other European countries experiencing high volumes of COVID-19 cases. Co-director of the National Day Laborers Organizing Network and Pasadena resident, Pablo Alvarado, is quoted in a Pasadena Now article as saying, "That's the administration and his followers taking advantage of this pandemic to make their dreams come true." The green card ban follows on the coattails of Governor Gavin Newsom's announcement last week of a $125 million COVID-19 relief fund for immigrants.